going to ask you to relax. In a few minutes, I am going to say something that I hope will help you to create a picture in your mind. I am also going to ask you to relax different parts of your body. Learning to relax will help you to cope up with anger, sad, and scary feelings. Find a comfortable position in your chair, not touching anyone, and take in a few relaxing breaths. Close your eyes and relax. Wiggle a little bit and make yourself comfortable. Alright, take a few more relaxing breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. That's it. You are feeling more peaceful. If you were angry, you can picture yourself moving from hot to cold on the thermometer, becoming more and more relaxed, cold, and peaceful. Now, with your eyes closed, pretend that you are on a white fluffy cloud high in the sky on a beautiful day. You are floating peacefully on that white fluffy cloud, moving very slowly. You are as light as a feather, and the fluffy cloud holds you safely, floating across the sky. Now, as I count from 1 to 3, imagine that you are sinking deeper and deeper into the cloud. So the cloud is all around you. 1, 2, 3. You are enjoying the ride on the cloud. Now, notice your toes and feet. How relaxed they feel. Notice your legs. All the muscles in your legs are light and relaxed on the cloud. Notice your arms. Notice your neck. Notice your head. Now you are totally relaxed, floating on the fluffy cloud. Remember that you can return to your very own cloud whenever you feel the need to calm down and relax. Whenever you feel like you need to calm down and relax. Whenever you need to cool off or move from hot to cool. Now we are getting ready to stop our ride on the cloud. We will stop on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes and stretch a little.